Hi, thank you for tuning in for the third and last seasonal drink video. I call this evening drink the Boozy Hot Chocolate. This drink is perfect for those cold snowy days when you just want to wind down from your day. All you will need is chocolate, milk, your choice of Irish cream, marshmallow, and if you want to get a little fancy, just find any small grater that you can find at home and get yourself a torch burner for a marshmallow. Without further ado, let's get to it! Alright, and I will start by first measuring the chocolate. For this recipe, I'll be using 45% chocolate as well as 70% chocolate. First, I'm going to measure the 70% chocolate and I'll be using around 20 grams. Yeah, that's about perfect. Okay, put that aside. And after that, I'll be using around 36 grams of the 45% chocolate. And from here on, all we need to do is just chop the chocolate finely. Okay, after you're done chopping the chocolate, time to transfer it into your choice of cup. Carefully transfer it. Alright, and now it's time to heat up your milk. If you don't have an espresso machine or any steamer, you can just heat up your milk on a pot or a microwave. And now, I'm going to steam my milk. And now you will go ahead and melt the chocolate. Pour some hot milk and go ahead and stir it to melt it. Make sure all the chocolate has been diluted. Okay. You can pour your choice of Irish cream. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And of course you can add more if you want to add more. Now stir it again just to make sure everything is incorporated. And you can pour the rest of the milk in. Alright. Now to top it off, you can add marshmallows. Boop, boop, boop. Yep. And now you can get your tiny grater and top it off with a shredded chocolate. And there you go. Just like I said before, if you want to feel stronger, you're more than welcome to add more Baileys inside your drink. But to me, I think 2 tablespoons is the perfect amount. I think it's just very well balanced. Well now, let's try it. The reason why I like this drink is because it keeps me warm and it helps me to relax. The hot chocolate is comforting and the Baileys add an extra layer of warmth without it being too strong. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you try this recipe and I hope you like it as well. Show us some love if you like this segment, leave us a comment, and if you like it, we will do this in the future. If you haven't, please do subscribe, share this with your friends and family, and we will see you soon. Bye. And now I'm gonna milk this chocolate.
I'm gonna milk this